And right through the time, 10 years later, in your 10th anniversary, you were still in an economy that was under 15 billion. In your 20th anniversary, you were in an economy that was under 35 billion. In your 30th anniversary, you were in an economy that was still under 50 billion kina. When I took over in 2019, the economy was under 80 billion kina. Today, as I speak, the economy is over 120 billion kina. In the last 40 years, you were part of a transition that took place in the most diverse nation on the face of planet Earth. In the midst of our diversity, we have still remained steadfast as one sovereign nation. In the last 40 years, you would have seen, apart from the 6 prime ministers that took office, including myself, not to mention the greatest or 2 greatest, Sir Michael and Sir Julius, there were 8 government formations or 8 leaders that took office, not by the barrel of the gun, but through the democratic process. We remain a free market economy that is open for business, for people of any color, any creed, of any orientation, from within and from abroad. And today, speaking in the face of our country's 50th, we still remain a robust democracy. We are a growing economy. The prospects look ever brighter for those who dare to be part of us in the journey going forward. I want to congratulate Kina Bank. Since you went into this metamorphosis to become what is now the 2nd biggest bank, from what was earlier the Maybank to now become Kina Bank, I want to congratulate every person behind who worked hard to make this possible to emerge as the 2nd biggest bank in our country on behalf of the length and breadth of our country, our 21 provinces and our special region of Bougainville. Let me step back and say thank you very much to Kina Bank. Our country will still prosper on in the face of challenges. 3 years after you became a bank, we faced the shutdown of Anglo Mine and the emergence of the Bougainville crisis. Many wrote us off, but we still remain vigilant. In the 1990s, the rolling 90s I call it, there was great financial stress that we faced. Deficit amongst the highest. Debt amongst the highest, peaked at over 70% in the 1990s. The 1997 financial crisis, global financial crisis, rocked us, but we remain resilient and stood fast. We came through 25 years almost now in the tail of the millennium, and our economy remains a growth economy. If you don't believe me, you got IMF in the room, ask IMF. If you don't believe me, ask ADB. If you don't believe me, ask World Bank. Today, in 2025, many complained when we unpegged what was an artificial pegging of Kina in 2015 to allow Kina to float in its own strength, to enable free flow of trade, and more importantly, allow the inflow of much needed foreign capital into our economy. Today, many complained 2 years ago, even 1 year ago, even some complain to this day. But Kina Bank, you know how the market is today. There is more convertible Kina and free flow of Kina. And the trade market is much better than it was in 2019 when I took government. And so we are turning the tide in as far as our country is concerned. I will invite all of you to the anniversary of Pangu Party's birth, on the 13th of June. For those who can come, you come and join me in that moment. You will see me unveiling a $50 billion foreign direct investment plan for the next 10 years. A $50 billion foreign direct investment for the next 10 years. From 26 2027 to 2028 to 2029 to 2030 to 2031 to 2032. We have 7 mega projects lined up to conclude in the various stages of pre-feed and feed, to conclude in the various stages of negotiation for construction and development and operation for the next 15 years that is coming, that will transform this country from not just the 120 billion Kenya economy we live today, but to a 200 billion plus economy and moving towards a big economy in the 2030s. Kenya Bank, you are placed at the right path of planet Earth. Placed at the right path of planet Earth. There is no other country like PNG, from the PIF family, or from the Asian family, ASEAN family rather, or from the APEC family. Papua New Guinea is a member of PIF, a proud member and a strong leading nation in the Pacific Island Forum Nations. Sometimes this year, or if not next year, we will become full members of ASEAN, and we already have a presence in APEC. In the global trade that is taking place, if the 1800s belong to Europe, and if the 1900s belong to Europe and North America, and the 20th century belong to North America, certainly the 21st century belongs to APEC and ASEAN and West Asia. Papua New Guinea is placed strategically as member of PIF, as member of ASEAN, as member of APEC, for trade, commerce, business. Our free market economy is a deep character of our economy. We are tidying our court system to enable our court to be independent forever. We will bring in international arbitration into our court system. We're introducing an appeals court in a 3-tier higher echelon court system to make it robust and independent so that it could arbitrate and facilitate on business and business difference and society difference and litigations. These are some modern characteristics we'd like to anchor as beyond treaty. This will be the place to be for investment. The next 15 years coming up will be the biggest ever growth year for our country. I want Kenya Bank, you are placed second. I'm a subscriber. I subscribe to lower tax for those who invest in my country. Because of our fiscal consolidation path going 27 and beyond, we still up there in tax, but into time. When the economy is bigger, we will drop tax down for those who invest in my country. I want to ask Kenya Bank, look into tailoring your products to meet the growing SME, the growing middle class, in a focus for manufacturing, in a focus for export-driven for our produces in country. I want Kenya Bank to tailor your product. No Papua New Guinean is a person on grasa in their country. They own land, they own resource, the people. Whether it's a non-school leaver businessman or a school leaver businessman, or a workman or workwoman, trust the Papua New Guinean, work with him or her as your client. Grow him, and in growing him, or his or her business, you're growing your bank. I look forward to Kenya being a major player in our country as we march towards from a 50th going towards a 70th in 2045. May God bless Kenya Bank, and of course, God be for our bless Papua New Guinea. Thank you very much.